Hey guys, Kurt here, and I don't really care about Landshark right now. Look at what the freaking tree did. Hurricane. The hurricane did. I ain't gonna say what hurricane, we all know.
You should, that way they'll always know.
Okay, fine, it's Hurricane Matthew. This is what it did,
Bullitt
Jesus. Bullitt County. Oh. Why do I have to say the places? God, man. God. It just ripped both of these trees out of the ground. God. I wish y'all were here with me to see this. I'm about to climb that tree, though. I sort of want to climb the tree. That's my mom over there. Jesus. Oh, by the way, this is my beautiful pond. Oh my God. Dustin, this has been here, you know, right? Dude, I dare you to climb that tree right there. Dustin, I dare you to climb that tree right there.
It won't fit in there.
Man, how dare you, Dustin? Why are you talking about fish? I mean, fish are everywhere.
Anyway, wrap up your video.
Why?
Because.
Why? Why?
Across the way at that tree. Whatever.
Oh, they can't see that. Looks like we better walk over there. Hey, why we gotta wrap up my video?
I wish we could help them, but we can't do nothing but use a chainsaw.
I was about to say something.
Chainsaw.
Think about that, hell.
Wait, how the heck? How'd that thing fall down if it was right there?
That's another tree right there. Look. That's the top of that tree. See where it split.
Oh, guys, by the way, my Instagram page is called Kurt Phillips. If you want to go check me out on Instagram or just, post some awesome pictures. Yeah. Want to follow me? I post some cool stuff. And yeah, I post some videos. This one's probably going on Instagram and YouTube. Well, y'all are watching this on YouTube, so yeah. It's going up on Instagram though.
By the way, this is 2 days after the hurricane hit.
I sure just want to get. Oh my God. Oh guys, look at that. A bug shed skin.
No, that's the thing one.
That was not a moth, dude. That was a bee. That was a bee. It was not a moth though, because I know what the moth shells look like. I know the mafia wants to everyone dead. Oh guys, you're probably wondering where my face is. Hi. So, yeah. It's a beautiful pond though. It's just beautiful. I wish y'all were sort of here, but then I wish y'all were not here, but y'all aren't here, so that's good. If y'all ever do come here, you should probably take some of them pictures right there.
Oh my God.
Dustin, never mind. Oh, heck yeah, there's my best friend right there, fire hydrant. Say hi, fire hydrant. It's a fire hydrant.
Oh, no one did.
Oh, wait, this is new, dude.
And I was
hold
yeah.
I know how to, get the thing out. Whoa, wait, what the heck is that? Mom, what's that?
What?
Yep.
Looks like cement.
Yeah.
That's where the fountain was. It runs by electricity and we don't have none, so it's not working. I'm gonna show y'all something really cool. If they didn't get it up already.
Hi.
Hi. And my glasses on.
Exo Health.
Watch where you going with the car.
Nuh-uh. Oh. Oh, guys. This just turned into Animal Planet. Guys, you ready to watch some Animal Planet? Let's just watch. Watch very closely, guys. Watch very close. So that right there was Animal Planet 1.0. Wait, what? God. Them ducks are pretty beautiful, though. I got to admit. All right, let's go. Oh, God. This hurricane kicked some people's butt.
Including ours, because we still have no power.
I mean, yeah, but it didn't hurt, like, our yards or anything. I mean, it hurt Lincoln. I mean, bingo. Well, it still hurt us, technically.
Matthew, it was no joke.
Yeah, he went, da, da, da.
See that?
Drink
Don't
a
touch it.
tube of
Don't go near
super
it. Don't even go
glue.
near that pole because power lines are down.
What? Oh,
Stay
God.
on the right side.
That power line.
Listen, really, this is why I wouldn't let you walk. Because if you can't see that in front of your face,
Dustin!
that's right there.
Dude.
Look straight ahead of you.
Down there. I think it.
That's the power line I'm talking about hanging.
Dang.
Oh, that one.
This is some pretty deadly crap, guys.
Fit that one.
We don't know.
This is why you don't live in
We don't
Stitchburg.
think that sky can be with our lights. Because our lights don't run over here. Our lights run the other way. However,
I like my shadow.
But now.
Woo. That's an okay car right there.
Oh my
Jesse,
God.
stop walking. Back up.
There's three down there.
Oh, God.
I can't tell you nothing.
That
I
just
sat
didn't.
there and just showed you.
That pole just got annihilated. I didn't see that part. But I've seen that part.
I'm talking about Dustin. He didn't see the tree.
No, I didn't see like where that
But
whole
Dustin
thing
didn't see
broke.
the tree after I pointed at it 50 times.
No, you're
Seriously?
talking about the power line.
She was talking about the tree.
Come over here.
Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Dumb ways to die.
Get wet, wool.
So many dumb ways to die. God,
Get out the road.
I ain't in the road.
We're going to have cars coming down the road and gonna run over you.
Hey, that was wool.
Hey.
Get wet, wool. Bother me.
Yeah, they do, but
Why keep saying Spider-Man?
they don't wear that kind
Oh, you mean the electric company?
Yeah.
of power.
No, they're called the electric
He's
company.
saying
Whoa,
The electric company.
Is that a moped?
I don't know. What's up, bro?
Yeah, that was a top line.
That's
Oh.
a mini bike.
I didn't think we wanted that.
Cruising down the street in my
Slide
mini bike.
Slide over. Way over.
Can I have a mini bike? Oh, I did.
I don't think we won. I don't think we won that.
And so is that person on it.
I think he's a midget.
It's fun. I did monetizer.
Are you
Oh.
still recording? You need to hurry up.
Why?
Because.
Cause why?
Because I said so. Because you're using all your memory.
I'm not.
And all your. That's alright, keep on. You know.
Data? I don't have data.
I did monetizer.
I delete it when I post it on YouTube. Oh, by the way, guys, I am.
Oh man, it's going high.
So, guys,
Oh man, I did Hollywood. Going high.
So, guys, I hope you like and subscribe on this video. If you want to see more like this,
we hope you don't, because that means there's another hurricane somewhere.
I'm not getting all done. Sit that one down.
So, guys,
Come over,
like,
off the road,
subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you want to see me do some gaming or something. I don't know. Why are you asking me to do this crap? still leave a comment down below. Saying, hey Kurt, we think you're the best.
Yeah.
Well guys, peace out. By the way, subscribe to me if you want to become the
They must ain't put that on for insurance purposes.
if you want to become part of the resource team. So yeah, bye.